This is Xsense interconnected smoke and carbon monoxide combination alarm. So in this video, I'm going to do the installation and I will test the smoke alarm function. Also the interconnection, which means that one alarm is off, the other two will be off at the same time. So I got 3 packages altogether, so let's get started. This is the original electrical box. Usually you have your hardwired a smoke alarm right here, but you can just replace the original wired alarm and put this one on. So the Xsense, it got a bigger plate. So first step, we need to locate the screw location just using a pencil. You see that they put the screw hole outside, so it means that it's outside the electrical box. It's very easy to drill the hole. Now I'm going to use the drill to make 3 holes. It comes with the expansion screw set. It needs a 1/4 inch drill bit. So let's get started. So after you drill the hole, just put the expansion screw inside. So push that all in. And the next step, just put the screw in and screw into the expansion and gently, like this. You don't do it all the way in. So just keep it loose and we do another one. And then the last one. So now you can tighten it. Must be light, super light. All right. And then the last step is just turn clockwise. It's in there and turn. Before we testing, we need to make sure they are interlinked. The way to interlink is easy. So you just work 2 at a time. So first step, you need to push the button 4 times. So you hear the beeping. And now we want to interlink to this one. You only need to push 2 times. So now they're interlinked. Now we are working for these 2. So just and now we're interlinked these 2. All right, this should be all good. And now we are going to do the real test. So the way how it works, I put one onto the roof and another one just in front of the camera. And then I'll take the third one to go outside to start a fire, to make some smoke. I don't have any CO, so just get some smoke to see how it works, to see if the interact really start. Okay, let's get started. And now I'm going to start some fire. Hopefully you can get enough smoke. It's really windy, but I don't know if you can catch anything. push the silence. Alright, the test is done. Just been outdoor and pretty windy, so I have to looking for the smokes. But it did sound, because it got delayed, like a 20 seconds delay. You're gonna make sure that it is a real fire. It keep going. It's not just like you're cooking some little bit smoke. It's not like that. So it takes some time for it to activate, and then it will interact to the other two, and the other two will beeping. It's really loud, and it does have a little bit delay, so the sound is on off like that, and it's pretty clear that the whole house is beeping, and my neighbors coming out to see what's going on. And I need to mention that they are powered by the battery for 10 years each of them, and they are not hardwired. It means that you don't need an electrician to come to a house to do the electrical work. They are just using the signal interconnect. And once one detector detects something, and all of them, they will be off. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.